Sensing the Biofield daily exercise. Welcome back. Find a comfortable position. Ensure you are nicely supported, either seated or lying down, whatever is appropriate for you. Take a nice, slow, deep breath. As you do, rest your eyes naturally to close. Breathing in calm, breathing out any tension that may be present. Now bring your attention to your heart center. Feel the gentle rhythm. Expand your awareness to the space around your body now. About 1 arm's length in all directions. This is your biofield. Softly scan your body from the top of your head down to your toes. Notice whatever arises. Warmth, coolness, heaviness, lightness, buzzing, stillness, expansion or contraction. No need to judge. No need to change anything. Simply observe the gentle curiosity. If your mind becomes busy, softly return to the role of the observer. You are not the sensations. You are the peaceful awareness watching them. Now ask quietly, what does my biofield need right now? Listen. Feel, sense. Trust the first impression that comes. It may be a sensation, a color, a knowing, or simply a quiet whisper. Rest here for a few moments, simply being present with your own field. When you are ready, take a deeper breath. Move your fingers and toes. Place one hand on your heart. Thank yourself for this practice. The more consistently you do this exercise, the clearer and more trustworthy your biofield sensing becomes. You are the sovereign guardian of your field. Stay with me now, more to come.